Oh no, here there's a buffet. Look. Oh, you heard about it. Didn't you? You big beauty. You beautiful young man. Aren't you? Good morning, fans of the vlog. Friday morning, about to bang out a workout with big homie Jim. Got the classic rice cake here and some cafe. Yeah, but we're gonna hit workout today. Just see you at the workout. Holy moly. Yeah, it's alright. Here with the vlog, we're with Jim. This is the first time Jim's ever been late, and he was 20 minutes late. I think he was trying to make up for all the times I was 5 minutes late, which is every time we've ever met up, ever. Now we're even, and I'll get back ahead on Sunday. I don't think I've ever been on time to NCR. Man, this is some high quality footage right here.
Question for you. What are those?
And then he just sent me a Snapchat, and everything's covered. He's on the track, and it's like a couple inches of snow and ice underneath.
Is he working out in that?
I don't think so. Working out on the snow is like impossible. I tried one time. Woo!
At least I got it in.
That's all that matters. Or at least that's what Cam Levins would tell you.
Well, Cam Levins takes that to the extreme.
Did you watch that video?
I think where he just like...
He's supposed to be running like 250, and then he just starts running like 315s, and he's like, well, I moved it to the next day, so I have to finish it this time. And he just finishes. His foot's like bleeding. And...
Yeah. That was ridiculous. Like, oh my gosh, this dude is insane. Doesn't he like suck?
Yeah. He got dropped, but I think he's sponsored by Ultra now.
Really? Interesting.
Pretty sure.
I'd take a sponsor by Ultra.
I'd take a sponsor by me, you know?
Yeah, honestly.
Preferably Skechers, you know?
Maybe
That was confident. It's gonna be a easy lift, I would say, because I've never done any of this stuff before, so I would assume it's not hard, but you never know. I'm not gonna film in the weight room because that's weird. I don't know how people do that, but they do. Especially that'd be really weird if you had one of them like $4,000 cameras, you know, and you just like rolled in with your gimbal and everything like ready and like in a boom. Have you ever? People do that. That's like,
Nice dad does that.
oh my god! Look at this Volkswagen, dude. Even get the license plate and everything. Wow. I think 1.5 scoops is definitely the way to go. It's the best it's ever tasted. Whew. Just got done the sick lift here. We did side step ups, Bulgarian split squat, pull-ups, and incline bench press, and then I hit up some triceps and some shoulders again, because I'm trying to make this singlet look mighty good. So, is what it is. Probably do some weighted core now. So I'll show you, you know what I'm saying, trying to get the HG shots, because we're trying to take the vlog to the next level.
BBno money.
You ain't no gang to me. You're just standing.
Okay, folks, we're making dinner here. This is the last update for the vlog for the week. We'll be doing a Christmas Day vlog probably later. We got the 2 wildebeest out here. They're really only excited because I'm making food, and they're kind of fat, so that's how they roll. But we're gonna be cooking up. Shh, stop it. Shh. We're gonna be cooking up a rice bowl today. Got the rice, we got the cheese, the meatballs, the corn. I think those are all the ingredients. So yeah, break it through for you, show you how it's done. Oh, looks like he's getting excited for the sauce. Let's see what sauce we're gonna be rocking today. Got a lot of sauces. We got the barbecue sauce. We got all sorts of dressings. We got every sauce you could ever want here. I think we're gonna be going with a little yum yum / barbecue sauce today. So, boom, boom, boom. This one's for Ben. This one's for Ben. Mmm. Even more, even more. This is for Ben, man. Hey boys, we just finished that dinner. You saw what I got here. Let's do the first bite here. Let's take the little first bite. Wow, that's cash money. That's a rice bowl, baby. So, you just saw me make dinner, eating dinner now. I guess just insight into my diet. I have something like this probably 2-3 times a week. Usually I have chicken in it, but pretty much just rice, a veggie, some cheese. And I usually use brown rice, and I just throw that all together. Nice little balance of you know, your macros, nutrition, all that kind of stuff. I'd say my diet's pretty balanced. I just try to get a little bit of everything in there. I don't really count calories or any of that kind of stuff. Just try to eat what I feel would be healthy, and I try not to eat too much that, you know, wouldn't be healthy, because I ain't trying to get fat. I'm trying to be shredded, you know. Gain season, dog. It is what it is. Got a nice long run tomorrow. I'll probably get the homies some shot in there. So see you guys tomorrow.
You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.